Hello, this is my watch repair station. Uh, for those that are interested, I'll give you a brief tour. Um, I got into this a few years ago. Um, I don't know why. Maybe I'm getting older, but I've always had this fascination with watches and clocks. Uh, I think it's a male thing because we die so damn early. But well, over the years I've pieced together tools and bought up some watches and books and a lot of this stuff you can get for free on the internet now. Um, everyone uh, seems like a lot of people don't appreciate mechanical watches, but I think they're pretty amazing. Um, Up until about 10 years ago, I really didn't know anything about how an automatic watch worked. I was actually surprised. Um, it's a fun hobby. You're not going to get rich, um, but it's definitely fun. Um, there's a there's a diagram of what is that? It's a diagram of my Bulova watch cleaner. I keep that in the garage um, because the chemicals used give off fumes, and they're not good to breathe. Um, I wrote down some of the ohms, some of the resistance on some of the parts. That's because these are impossible to get fixed. And if it did break down, I wanted to be able to repair it. Keep pretty much all my watch tools in a big case. As you see, I'm kind of disorganized and a mess. I got to get a different setup, but for now this is okay. I've noticed with this setup, my biggest problem is losing things. Probably says something about me, but I need to put an apron below my work area. Because when you lose if you lose a little part, you see on a floor like this, it's just impossible to find. Okay, here's an older cheap watch I've cleaned and about to put back together. It's a Baron watch, Baron. I think it's 17 joules. This here is where I keep watch oil. I put the fine watch oil in here. That'd be this Senilube. Look around. This stuff is expensive, and I think there's alternatives. This is the next grade up. It's a thicker oil, and here's grease. And use this for different parts in the watches. To do it right, to oil a watch right, you have to be pretty meticulous. You got to clean all the parts. You need to use pegwood, things like this for any real dirty parts. I won't get into all that. Well, here are my oilers. The tips are very small. It's hard to tell, but this one here, let me me see. This one here is the size of a human hair. um, because these parts are so small. These are my baskets. I need to get a bigger basket for my cases. You never